their weather short. So today I'm going to be talking about how they recently issued a winter storm warning for southern Georgia and winter weather advisories for whatever this county is in Florida. So I'm just going to show this. So, heavy snow expected, total snow accumulations between 1 and 3 inches. And wind from 3 a.m. to 1 p.m. Sunday. Plan on slippery road conditions. So here's the winter weather advisory. Light snow expected, total snow accumulations up to 1 inch. Well, that's just what this said. Wind from 4 a.m. To noon on Sunday.